Hey, hi, hello. This is Matt Arnold, also known as Pious Bird here, and I'm sorry I'm not on camera, as it were, or in the bird suit. But I just wanted to show off what I have been able to knock together in about an hour with a little ingenuity, a little bit of prayer, and a little bit of Chat GPT hackery on the subject of replacing WhirlPerfect 1998 for Linux with something more modern. Um, Keep in mind that there are still some stylistic bugs here. That this is only an HTML prototype done with a lot of the JavaScript. If you saw the JavaScript, you would be horrified. I think I give professional JavaScript programmers nightmares. But my main supposition was right, that we are almost there. We can uh, replace WordPerfect and have voice integration pretty good uh, with just off-the-shelf components. So this is simple MDN and Markdown it. Um, I'm using as the back end for this thing, and as you can see, you have the editor view and then you have the preview view, which will give you a printed preview of content. And if we activate Talon, we should be able, let's see, flash Talon, run message. We'll just activate Talon here. And dictation mode. Hello world, comma. This is dictating with Talon, comma, and it's relatively fast. Period. Now, because this is HTML and JavaScript, go to sleep. We can do a bunch of things that, like I'm adding equation editing support as a sort of next priority. Through ASCII math, so it'll be easier to do math equations. And you know, I never went as far as in college in math as I could have without because the math technology for me to be able to do my homework semi-independently just did not exist back 12 years ago. So but now it does, and it's all in JavaScript, so it can be added to this pretty easily, I think. So good things are ahead of us in in regards to replacing our 25-year-old word processor with something actually good that you'd want to use. Um, um, so I will see y'all later. I just wanted to show this off to people and get some feedback and hopefully get some hype. I have a lot of plans. Um, so, uh, but I need people to join me. This can't just be a one-man endeavor. But we're close to it. So I just want to put this up and post it and show off what I've been doing for the last couple of days. Um, anyway, thanks. Bye.